Hello everyone, my name is Agastya. Welcome to my channel Curious Mind. So today we are going to unbox iPhone 12. Before I will unbox, I like to tell you some features about iPhone. Every phone is designed very nicely and there is no comparison of its design, touch, feel and its OS. A box is very nice, and one unique feature of its box is that iPhone is same size as it is in the picture. So let's unbox it. So let's see what is inside the box. So this is our phone, as you can see, black color, and this is charger, and these are user manual, and this is a pin to remove SIM. And this is Apple sticker. So hope you enjoyed my video. In next video I will do comparison of iPhone 12 and iPhone 6 Plus. Bye guys.